The universe is a vast and mysterious place, filled with countless wonders that continue to amaze and astonish us. Among these wonders, there are huge objects called black holes. These objects are one of the most mysterious objects in the universe. They can have masses of up to 10 to the power of 11 solar masses. This is such a big number that it's difficult to comprehend. Let's get things in perspective. This is the Milky Way galaxy that is estimated to be over 100,000 light-years across. In the middle of this ginormous structure lies a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A Star. It is an incredibly dense object with the mass of 4 million suns combined. The black hole is surrounded by a swirling disk of gas and dust. As material falls into the black hole, it's heated up to incredible temperatures and emits intense radiation across the electromagnetic spectrum. When falling into the black hole, you will experience a phenomenon known as spaghettification due to the intense gravitational forces. This is a stretching and squeezing effect that occurs when your body gets closer and closer to the singularity of the black hole. This process will continue until you are merged with the singularity. In the vast expanse of the universe, there are few objects as immense and awe-inspiring as IC 1101. It's located around 1 billion light-years away from us and contains 100 billion stars. Because there are so many stars, it's only likely that somewhere in this star cluster an Earth-like planet exists, which is a very exciting idea. The diameter of the galaxy is around 50 times larger than the Milky Way. In this visualization, you can compare the sizes of IC 1101 to other galaxies. At the top left, you can find the size of the Milky Way galaxy. At the bottom, you can see the size of IC 1101. Let's zoom into its core and be amazed by the mass of the black hole that lies within. Its mass exceeds that of Sagittarius A Star, with an astronomical 23,000 times. That's so big that the stars that surround the black hole are constantly getting pulled in and out of its gravitational field. In this simulation, you can see the stars getting accelerated when getting closer and decelerated when flying away from the singularity. The black hole of cluster IC 1101 is really big, but nothing compared to TON 618. Studying TON 618 has given us a unique opportunity to observe the effects of a supermassive black hole on its surroundings. By studying the motion of the gas and dust around it, we can learn more about how black holes grow and evolve. In the cluster of TON 618, there are many beautiful planets that hope to be all explored one day. For now, we are going on a journey to see this beautiful celestial object. This black hole is absurdly bright, and watching it from a planet is extraordinary, and will most likely be too bright to watch with the naked eyes. TON 618 is located in the constellation Canes Venatici, about 10.37 billion light-years away from Earth. It was first discovered in 1957 by astronomer Alan Sandage. This particular type of black hole is called a hyperluminous quasar. They are known to be one of the brightest objects in the universe and are powered by supermassive black holes. They emit enormous amounts of energy in the form of light and other types of radiation. The energy emitted by TON 618 is so intense that it outshines the entire Milky Way galaxy, making it one of the brightest objects in the universe. In the vast universe of possibilities, our curiosity will continue to drive us forward. So let's keep exploring, keep pushing boundaries, and keep chasing our dreams. Together, we can shape the future and make it a place where all our aspirations can thrive. I want to thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and see you in the next one.